Goodbye to your manual cleaner, because this robot got you. Introducing the Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. It automatically vacuums and mops your floors while you focus on what matters. With powerful suction and smart navigation, it picks up dust, pet hair, and crumbs effortlessly. Plus, it tackles stubborn stains on hard floors. Its slim design cleans under furniture, and the auto-scheduling feature lets you set it and forget it. It works even when you're not home. Quiet, efficient, and user-friendly. It's the ideal helper for busy households. Enjoy a cleaner home every day, with zero effort. Comment, link, and I'll send you the link.